Good day everyone. My name is Mr. Richard M. Basietes. I am your Mathematics 10 teacher for today's segment of eDream. Let us start. Our lesson for today's eDream segment is all about solving problems involving geometric sequence. Let us have an example. Consider yourself depositing an amount of money in a local bank which offers 8% interest rate compounded annually. If you deposited 10,000 pesos in that bank, how much will you earn after a year, 2 years, 3 years? Let us compute for the simple interest which is only paid on the initial principal amount. The formula is principal amount plus interest earned equals end of the year balance. Principal amount is equal to 10,000 pesos plus interest earned can be computed as 10,000, which is the principal amount, multiplied to 0.08, which is your annual interest rate, equals 10,800 pesos. 10,800 pesos is now your remaining balance after a year. Same question, how much will you earn in a year? And another solution in finding the end of the year balance is by multiplying the principal amount, which is 10,000 pesos, by 1.08, equals 10,800 pesos. 10,800 pesos is your remaining balance after a year. How much will you earn in 2 years? 10,000 pesos multiplied by 1.08 times 1.08 equals 11,664 pesos. 11,664 pesos is now your remaining balance after 2 years. Next, how much will you earn in 3 years? This can be computed as 10,000 pesos times 1.08 times 1.08 times 1.08 equals 12,597.12. This is now your remaining balance after 3 years. Now, let us have the figure remaining balance obtained after 3 years. 10,000 pesos. The first term is the principal amount. 10,800 pesos. Second term obtained by multiplying 10,000 pesos by 1.08. 11,664 pesos. The third term obtained by multiplying 10,800 pesos by 1.08. Next, 12,597.12 pesos. Fourth term obtained by multiplying 11,664 by 1.08. Next example. You are planning to buy a new blouse which costs 300 pesos as a present to your mother this Christmas season. You started saving money on the first week of November and double the amount to be saved every week. If you started saving 5 pesos on the first week, will you be able to buy the blouse at the end of the second week of December? What is the sequence obtained? Let us now analyze the problem. Take note, the amount to be saved is doubled every week. Let us represent the problem into equation. First, we have initial amount saved in the first week of November, and you have 5 pesos as initial amount. Next, target total savings at the end of the second week of December is 300 pesos. You need 300 pesos so that you can buy the blouse at the end of the second week of December. Now, let us use table to understand well the problem. Note, there are 6 weeks from first week of November to second week of December. So we have to complete the table, week number, weekly savings. Under week number, we have week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the total savings. Under weekly savings, we have 5 pesos as your initial savings for the first week. And it was stated in the problem that it will be doubled for the next week. 5 pesos times 2, we have 10 pesos. For the third week, we have 10 pesos times 2, 20 pesos. So fourth week, we have 20 pesos times 2, 40 pesos. And for the fifth week, we have 40 pesos times 2, 80 pesos. And for the sixth week, 80 pesos times 2, 160 pesos. Now, your total savings is 315 pesos. Now, let us answer the question in the problem. The first question is, will you be able to buy a blouse at the end of the second week of December? Since our saving exceed the target total savings, which is 300, now you will be able to buy the blouse in the second week of December. Next question. What is the geometric sequence formed? The geometric sequence obtained is 5, 10, 20, 40, 80, 160, and so on and so forth. That is the end of my lesson. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you understand the lesson. God bless you all. Goodbye.